she's so So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull off all this tape, all this wax. I'm gonna sand this thing all the way down to where I'm probably gonna sand through a lot of this blue. And then I'm gonna have to like build it back up. Like you can see this thing is just like whoosh, wavy. Like there's all these knots and bumps and look, there's a leash plug right in the middle of no man's land there. Well, this is so cool. I feel like it's not every day I get to work on a DEWEY WEBER surfboard, so I feel like I'd be doing everyone a disservice if I didn't talk a little bit about who DEWEY WEBER was. If you don't know, one of the most famous shapers of all time. He was in and around California in the 60s. His flagship store was in Venice Beach. And the guy was a great surfer in addition to being a great shaper. So anyway, this board wasn't meant to end up on a rack. I don't think DEWEY would have wanted to see one of his boards just hanging in a museum somewhere. He'd rather have it be ridden. So we got our work cut out for us. Let's get back to it and fix this thing up. Look at that, still wet even. Really doesn't. realized that we lost some footage of the laminating, so that is this. Essentially, you're just putting fiberglass over your filler on the dings and then putting laminating resin on top of that. So it is an important part. If you have questions about that, definitely check out the other videos or feel free to leave a comment. But in any case, we'll get back to it. You.
Smooth. So this thing's already feeling sleek, man. This is way better. This is what happens when you hot coat without using any tape. Again, this isn't the final hot coat, so we're just gonna grind all these little drips off, and we'll get to painting.